conditional statements in English, right? If it rains, then I will take the umbrella. These are conditions. If something happens, then I will do this. So if you see, there are two things. First is a condition if. If the rain happens, if it rains, then is related to time. Then I will take the umbrella. If I feel hungry, then I will eat. If it does not rain, then I will not take the umbrella. If it does not rain, then I will not take the umbrella. So there is a condition. If and then goes together. If not, then not goes together. When we feel hungry, then we eat. When and then. These are another two words. When and then. When we feel hungry, then we eat. Or when we will feel hungry, then we will eat. You can use in different tenses also. That is not a problem. Next is, please complete the work, else you will not get leave. Please complete the work, else you will not get leave. So else is a condition. So work is one clause, you will not get leave is another clause. It is together in a sentence joined by the condition else. I repeat, please complete the work, else you will not get leave. Please eat well, else you will be weak. So these are conditions, and it can be opposite also, right? Next, please study well, otherwise you will not pass. So there is a condition that study well, otherwise you will not pass. So please study well, otherwise is a condition, otherwise you will not pass. I can change it, I can use if not also. Please study well, if not you will not pass. If not, otherwise, else. This can be interchanged also. Next, if I studied well, then I would have passed. I correct it again. If I had studied well, past perfect it is going, then I would have passed. This is present perfect. See the combination, past and present perfect. If I had studied well, condition, if is a condition, then is the result, then I would have passed. So these are the ways to make sentences using conditions. What if it rains? If I have to make questions now, in this form, questions, then what if? What if it rains? If it rains, the answer is, if it rains, then I will take umbrella. What if it does not rain? This is a question. Answer is, if it does not rain, I will not carry the umbrella. What if, or when we feel hungry? What if we feel hungry? When we feel hungry, then we eat. Like this, we can make questions also. What happens if I do not complete the work? If you don't complete the work, then you will not get leave. What if I don't study? If you don't study, the answer is, if you don't study, you will not pass. So this is the way to make questions and answers using conditional statements. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching us. You will learn a lot from us. Thanks a lot. Bye.